Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add a slider in Wix Studio. So first thing that you should do is you have to open any of your site. And then once you're here, I'm now going to create a new section first before we are going to add a slider. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll down and then just have to find a space where you can add a section. So I'm just going to add a section right here. Then after that, once you have added a new section, you just have to simply click on this plus icon at the top left of your screen. And then you just have to select the layout tools. And then under the layout tools, you just have to proceed to the advanced section. And then just select the flex boxes. And then we are going to use this one, so we just have to simply click on this one or drop and drop it right here. Okay, and then after that, we'll just have to stretch it out. Okay, and then after that, we'll then just have to click on this one and then go to this section at the top right of your screen. Okay, so make sure to click on this arrow at the top right. Okay, and then for the width, I am going to type out 100% for this one. Okay, and then we just have to close this section. Okay, so the next thing that we should do now is we are going to add different elements on the different items. So to do that, you just have to go here at the layer section and then go to the flexbox. Okay, so before adding elements, we are going to click on this one right here and then select the slider. Okay, so this is for the display type. Then after that is we are going to add now different elements to our items. So for the item number one, so for example, we are going to add here text, title, paragraph, images, or videos. So I'm just going to add here an image. Okay, and then we can adjust the size of the image template. Then of course after that we are going to change the image. So we can upload media from our computer or we can also use media from Wix. Okay, then after that just click on update. Okay, so let me add another element right here. So I'm going to add a title. Okay, so I'm going to drop it right here and then just have to type it right here your title. Okay, so for example, book one. Okay, so let me just delete this text and then replace it with my title. Okay, now to edit the next item, all you have to do is to drag this empty item right here. You just have to drag it and put it at the very top so we can see if how we can edit this one. Okay, so we just have to do the same. You just have to go to the add element section and go to the quick add, and then right here we can now add a video or an element that you want to. So for the second item, I'm going to add a video right here. So let us just wait for a couple of seconds. Then right here we can adjust the size of the video, and then of course we can upload our own video. Okay, so just click on the change video option. But for this one, I'm just going to leave this video as it is. Okay, and then now let me add another one. So I'm going to add a fire group right here and on the other side as well. Okay, so let me just go back to the add elements option, this one at the top left, then add another paragraph. So I'm going to add this one at the right side. Okay, so let me just drag and drop it right here. The next, let us now proceed to the next item. So you just have to do the same. Once you are editing a specific item, you have to make sure that you're going to drag and drop that specific item or that empty item at the very top so we can customize this one. Okay, so for this item, I think I am going to add a social media icons. Okay, so I'm just going to drag and drop it right here. And then now for the next item, so let's go back to the layer section and let us now proceed to our last item. So you just have to drag and drop it at the very top. Okay, and then let us now add an element right here. So I think I am going to add a gallery for this one. So I'm just going to drag and drop it here, the gallery. Okay, now we are now adding the Wix Pro gallery. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then after that, you can now start customizing this gallery right here. Okay, now if you would like to add more item, okay, so you just have to go back to the layer section. Okay, so let's go back to the layer section and then go to the Flexbox. Okay, so when you click on the three dots right here, you'll be able to see an option where it says add item. So when you click on the add item, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and then another item will be added. Okay, so you can now start adding elements to the new item that you have added. So you just have to do the same. You just have to drag and drop the new item at the very top. So you can now start customizing this one. Okay, so let me just do it right here. So let me just preview this one first before we customize the new item. Okay. So after this one, you can now start customizing the last item. Okay, so let me just go back right here on the layer section. Okay, so we're just going to add images for this new item. Okay, so let me just add 2 images for this item. Okay, so let me just put it right here and then drag the other one at the top right. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. Then after that, we should not forget the navigations for this slider. Okay, so to add the navigation, all we have to do now is we just have to go back to the layer section. Okay, and then we just have to simply click on the flex box. So let me just click on the layer section and then right here, just click on the flex box. Then after that right here at the right side, you'll then just have to scroll down and then look for the navigation. Okay, and then if you would like to disable the scroll bars, so you just have to click on the switch right here. Then for the navigations, we have arrows, buttons, and text. So I'm just going to select the arrows. Okay, and then after that, you will then just have to preview this one and let us try to see if the arrows are working for this slider. Okay, so let me just preview this page first before we publish this site. So as you can see, we have now the navigations at the right side and at the left side. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.